Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing Apple iPad Air. This is M3 iPad with the new latest chip, and it is 256 gig and it's in a gray color. I will be showing you how is the new iPad and how good is the performance and what are the cool features they have added. So this is 11 inches iPad Air M3. So let's see what's inside the box, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Any question, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So let's go. So let's see what's inside the box and how good is this iPad. So this is not Apple iPad 11th gen. This is a iPad Air M3, and this is the gray color. So this is the new iPad 11 inches. So this is not iPad Pro, but this is a normal iPad, and it has cool feature 11 inches Liquid Retina Display, and it has a Pay ID also touch screen, and 12 megapixel of camera, and it has a 4K videos also. So with this one you can make the payments also if you want to make a payment through the Apple Pay. And what else they have provided is this is the charging cable, and now they are providing the type C. So you can see that it is a type C cable. So and plus there is a wall adapter. So this is the Wi-Fi model, and plus there is some instruction booklet. So you can see that. So this is pretty much inside the box. So once I set up the iPad, I will be showing you how cool is the iPad. So this iPad has a Apple Intelligence and 11 inches Liquid Retina display, and it comes with the 12 megapixel of camera, and plus it has 4K video playing capacity, and plus it has a touch screen, and so touch ID, you can do the Pay ID for any Apple Pay anything, so you can use that. And plus it has a Wi-Fi 6E connection, so that will be fast connection for the Wi-Fi, and because this model is a Wi-Fi only, so this iPad has 256 GB of capacity, internal storage capacity. And once I set up that, I will be showing you how cool is this iPad. On the bottom you can see this is the charging point for type C charging cable, and on the left and right is the speakers. And if you go on the right side of the iPad, so you can see that, see here there is a volume key for the volume up and down, and on the top side, on the top right side, this is the power button, and plus they have a speakers on the top also. So there is nothing on the left side. So, and on the back I will be showing you. So this is the iPad from the back, and this is the camera they have provided, and it's pretty much a very cool product. And it has a M3 chip, and which is a powerful latest chip, and plus 12 megapixel of camera it has, and 11 inches Liquid Retina display, and plus Wi-Fi 6E connection. So that is the latest one. So this was pretty much inside the box. As you can see that this is an iPad, and plus a power wall adapter, and this is the charging cable, and some instruction booklet, and this is the empty box. So this is the detailed feature of this iPad. So this is one of the famous website of Australia, jbhifi.com.au, and you can buy online or either in your local store. So it is $1,197 the price. So you can see that Apple iPad Air 11 inches M3 256 GB Wi-Fi space gray is the color, and it comes with the quite a few color. As you can see that this is the blue, and this is the blue color, and then you can get the other color, starlight, and then purple color. So quite a few different color, and plus you can get a different storage capacity as per your requirement. So 128 GB is for 997, 256 GB is for 1197, and 512 is 1547. And you can get 1 TB also, which will be $1,899. And plus you can get Wi-Fi plus cellular also. So same way, in each of the model you can get either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi plus cellular. So it is your choice. And if you go, like you can see there, this is the detailed pictures of the product, and quite a Apple Intelligence, which is quite powerful. And let me show you the detailed feature of this product. So this is 11 inches iPad Air built for Apple Intelligence, and 11 inches Liquid Retina Display, which is quite a good for if you are watching any movie just for the entertainment or any other purpose. It will be quite a good display, and built for Apple Intelligence, and M3 performance, which is a powerful chip for Apple, and it will give you good result if you are using whether for work or whether for entertainment or any purpose. It will be giving you good result. And iPad operating systems and OS, so which is quite a good thing. And Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, so that is you have to buy separately if you have to buy any other accessories, so you can buy that. And iPad Air comes with the 12 megapixel camera, and plus it's a wide back camera, and that is you can use for document scanning and capturing photos or either 4K videos. And plus it has a Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, so which will be like quite useful, and it is having USB-C connector, and unlock and pay with the Touch ID. So you can use the Apple Pay to make any payment. So that way this will be very, very useful. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video.